Who's got hiccups? Kiki has hiccups? Not the hiccups, they're bothering my baby. Are they bothering you, baby? Oh, oh. Yeah. They went away? Did they go away? What we'll do about it? I know, we're feeling so bad.